I'm Gabriel and today I'll be making recycled coffee paper. It's very easy to make at home and the best part is it's good for the environment. Let's get started. First of all, we'll be making the paper pulp mixture. Grab your paper waste of choice and start ripping them into small pieces. After it's all ripped up nicely, add water and crush them until it looks a little something like this. Today I'm adding coffee to the mix. You can stop the process here if you're looking for rough textured paper, but if you want smooth textured paper like me, blend the mixture using a blender. Once done, strain the mixture and now you've got your paper pulp. Now for the fun part, making the paper. For this step, you'll need a mold for your paper. You can easily find them online, but I made mine out of an old photo frame that I covered with mesh fabric that I recycled from my old clothes. Now, to make the paper, fill up a big container or a big bucket with clear water. After that, grab a handful of your paper pulp and stir it in the water. When you see the pulp floating, it's ready for molding. Grab your paper mold and strain a thin layer of the paper pulp. When the mesh becomes completely covered, transfer the paper from the mold to a piece of cloth or any kind of fabric of your choice. I'm using old fabric, recycled from my old clothes. After that, take a piece of towel or a sponge and dab the paper mold to absorb any liquid that is left. If you think it's dry enough, carefully lift the mold, revealing your piece of paper. It's okay to be imperfect because that's what makes it prettier and rusty looking. Repeat the process until you have the desired amount of paper or until your pulp runs out. Now let's hang the fabric and let the paper dry.
One eternity later.
After the drying process, it's finally ready. Peel the paper carefully from the fabric to avoid ripping the paper. Look at how pretty they are. Here, you can see the coffee grains that I stirred in the paper mix. Personally, I like to use these paper for drawings or to make calligraphy. Like I said before, by recycling paper, we're basically saving the environment. How? Despite it being 100% recyclable, paper alone contributes 26% of total waste at landfills. Why? Well, it's simple. We humans overuse and overproduce paper. Not so fun fact, paper production causes deforestation, uses enormous amounts of energy and water, and contributes to air pollution and waste problems. Pulp and paper is the third largest industrial polluter of air, water, and soil. Chlorine-based bleaches are used in production, which results in toxic materials being released to our environment. Not to mention, when paper rots, it emits methane gas, which is 25 times more toxic than carbon dioxide. Deforestation is one of the main environmental problems we're facing today. 42% of all global wood harvest is used to make paper. Is it really worth to cut down our life-saving trees for paper? So stop using bleached, unnatural paper and start using natural paper. Also, start recycling all of your paper waste while you can. Remember, there is no planet B.